Good morning, dear students. Today we will discuss on physiological function of oxygen, or you can say major biological role of oxygen. Another word you can also say major role of oxygen and application of oxygen. So these all four sentence you can see in your uh, first slide are synonyms to each other. If short number question will ask about the physiological function of oxygen or major role of oxygen or application of oxygen, means these are the same things. Come to the next slide. So what are the major functions of oxygen? There are, we will discuss here the 12 slides. In 12 slides 14 or 16 major function or physiological role of oxygen. So we will discuss by one by one. First of all, respiration. So you should know what are the role of difference, either irrespective of nature of the oxygen, synthetic or natural, what are the role in respiration. In general case, it has been assumed in many research it will stimulate the rate of respiration because it will increasing the availability of the respiratory substrate. So finally rate of respiration will increase. Come to the next point is the metabolism, and it has been also observed in many cases uh, metabolic rate has been enhanced by the oxygen because mobilization of plant resources. Third one is the solute. Oxygen increase the storage of the solute inside the cell. This point will be related to the cell, you can see the permeability or negative or positive, uh, negative and positive, we can say osmotic pressure. So come to the next point is the cell enlargement. This is one of the major role of the oxygen during the uh, cell growth and development is cell enlargement. You can see in this picture uh, clear cut, and slide number 3, cell enlarge, how cell will enlarge. After the photosynthesis starch is produced, this starch is solubilized into the sugars. Based on the sugars, cell enlargement will take place. How? Sugar will convert, or when sugar will move into the one place to the another place, some salt also going with them. So osmotic pressure will be increased. Once osmotic pressure of the cell will increase, it means its barter potential will decrease. It means they will receive or try to acquire barter from the nearby cells. So finally endosmosis will take place, and finally mobilization of the different material will take place. Second theory is saying when sugar is formed from the starch, it will increase the respiration, or this respiration will help in synthesis of different kinds of wall material. So also increase the finally endosmosis or wall material means intruseption will be take place. So finally wall material will be deposit over them and cell elongation will be take place. Fifth point is the cambial activity. This also increase the cambial activity which directly involve in the vascular supply. Third, cell division. Alone oxygen can't increase the cell division, but it will stimulate the cell division in presence of only the cytokinin. So major role of the oxygen will the stimulation of the cell division when cytokinin concentration is little bit more than the oxygen. If oxygen and cytokinin concentration is same, it will differentiate and formation dedifferentiate and formation of the callus. If oxygen concentration is more than the cytokinin, then root initiation will take place in general cases. If cytokinin is concentration higher than the oxygen, it means it will shoot initiation will be take place. So this is the major role related to the tissue culture. Root formation, I have already told you about the root formation. And come to the next point is the 9 point, apical dominancy. Apical dominancy, I told you many times in theory lecture, come in the 5th slide. This is the main function of the auxins. Come to the next slide is 6. You will see here the 3 plant material, you can see plant species A, B, C. In one cases it is the normal cases A. It means apical word is there, and lower side you can see the axillary word, or you can see the lateral word, and you can see the leaf also, axil of the word. In second B cases you have to cut the apical word, then you will find the C difference between the prolongation or proliferation of the axillary word. This confirmation the auxin is involved and not, you can calculate with the help of picture C. You will see in this picture C, you have to take the any material put over the apical word which is decapitated there. So again the not enhance and prolongation of the axillary word. So finally you can say apical dominancy is indicating here the apical means terminal word, dominancy means dominant effect. So if apical bud is present in intact case, so it will depress or not proliferate to the, does not proliferate to the auxiliary bud. So this type of activity is known as apical dominancy, and it will generally using for haze making or in tea plantation also. So not tea plantation, picking of tea leaves also. So this is a major function of apical dominancy, and it will be only and only possible by the auxin. If you are put another type of growth hormone over the decapitated portion, then no such type of activity will be find there. So this is exclusively by the auxin concentration. Come to the next one, 10 point is, and slide number 7 is inhibition of the abscisic acid. You will see it will also delay the abscission, formation of abscission layer, but in case of natural way it will promote, but in artificial or injury it will enhance or fill the healing purpose, you can say. Come to the next point is the tropic movement. Differential distribution of the indole 3-acetic acid produce the tropic response, phototropism as well as geotropism. Sex, it will enhance the feminizing effect in general cases, but it is very specific. It is not possible if you are giving the one spray for the particular fruit variety, then all flower will develop by this plant will be the female, not, but it is very specific. And seedless fruit, it has been observed in many cases like banana, you can say the parthenocarpic fruit, amount of auxin is found more than the non-parthenocarpic fruit. So it is directly correlated with the parthenogenesis. Ethylene, higher concentration of auxin will enhance the synthesis of the ethylene, because a number of metabolites is produced during the process of the auxin. Some metabolite act as the precursor for the ethylene synthesis. And membrane potential, I have already told you in the slide number 4 or 5, it will enhance the osmotic pressure of the cell. So finally permeability of the cell will increase because it will create the negative potential of water. Now come to the, these are the general functions, or you can say the major physiological role of the auxin in different crop species. Now come to the, what are the major role the farmer will use for what purpose. So generally we can use for the study purpose the rooting. generally we are using for the parthenocarpic, means feminizing effect. And major function is the BD site. Some synthetic auxin act as the BD site like the 24D and 245T, which will not affect the major monocotyledons but affect the wheat. But Delaphone, this is also derivative parts of the, or you can say the synthetic auxin, will also affect the broad leaves like the grasses. So you have to use BD side as a auxin in very careful manner. Otherwise, very good example of Vietnam when they were used as a defoliant. So a wild relative varieties of the citrus has been damaged drastically. So this is precautionary part when you are using as a weedicide. Flowering. NNA and naphthalene acetic acid and 2,4-D are oftenly used in inducing flowering in lychee and pineapple. Storage. It will protect the sprouting of potato during the cold storage. This is also good for you. And pre-harvesting drop. In orange and apple, if you give the low concentration of 2,4-D, then pre-harvest losses will less. And finally, the in some cases of the fruit and prevention of lodging and dwarf shoot. In apple, flower and fruit are formed generally on dwarf shoot. So application of the naphthalene acetic acid means Na increase the number of dwarf shoot. So finally yield will produce. So this is something physiological role of the physiological role related to the auxin. I hope this video will help you, audio clip will help you a lot. So you will go through it, and thank you very much dear. Thank you.